Your entire understanding of ancient life is wrong. Not slightly wrong, catastrophically wrong. And I can prove it with one fact. Sharks are older than trees. Not by a little, by 100 million years. Before a single tree had ever grown on this planet, sharks were already here. Here's what your brain actually thinks happened. Dinosaurs, forests, giant prehistoric creatures all living together in one ancient world. And somewhere in the background, sharks, swimming around, part of the furniture. That picture is completely wrong. And the reason it's wrong is that your brain does something called compression. It takes everything labeled prehistoric and collapses it into one era, one world, one timeline. But prehistoric covers 4 billion years. The dinosaurs and the first shark are as far apart in time as the dinosaurs and us. So let's fix your timeline. For real. 450 million years ago, there are no forests, no grass, no flowers, no insects, no land animals of any kind. The Earth is almost entirely ocean. And in that ocean, a creature appears. Cartilage instead of bone, rows of self-replacing teeth, senses so precise they can detect a single drop of blood from a mile away. The first shark. Now fast forward 100 million years. We're at 350 million years ago, and for the first time in Earth's history, something grows tall on land. The first tree. At this moment, sharks have already been in the ocean so long that entire species evolved, dominated, and went extinct before the first tree existed. Shark history began before forest history. Full stop. Now here's where it gets genuinely insane. Since sharks first appeared, this planet has tried to kill everything on it 5 times. 5 mass extinction events. 5 moments when conditions on Earth became so catastrophic that most life simply stopped existing. The worst one, 252 million years ago, wiped out 96% of all marine species. Nearly everything in the ocean, gone. Then 66 million years ago, the asteroid, the one that killed the dinosaurs. 75% of all species on Earth wiped out. Sharks survived all 5. Every single one. And here's the thing that should genuinely unsettle you. Sharks didn't survive by changing. They survived because they got it right the first time. The body plan that appeared 450 million years ago was so perfectly engineered for the ocean that evolution looked at it and said, "We're done here." Dinosaurs evolved for 165 million years and got wiped out by a rock. Sharks have been here for 450 million years and are still in the ocean right now. The thing we made an entire horror franchise about, the thing that still makes grown adults afraid to swim, is the longest surviving predator in the history of life on Earth. Everything you think of as ancient, dinosaurs, forests, flowers, grass, is younger than what's swimming in the ocean right now. The shark didn't evolve to rule the ocean. It was just there first. History was lying to you, and now it can't anymore. Subscribe for more crazy stats from throughout history.